Hey everyone, it's Abyssal311 here. I was going to post a video of the T-Rex front and rear bike stands. They were really inexpensive and they're pretty decent quality. You should check them out. Just do a search for T-Rex stands. Actually, there's a website here. It's TRexRacing.com. Yeah, because the other comparable stands cost like up to $100 for just like the, or even more, for just like the front or the rear. This was a set of both for like less than $120, which is a steal, I think. And here's the rear one. Those are little spools I got. Yep. Alright, I guess that's it.